Hi guys, I'm excited to start your book trailers with you. For this project, you are going to learn several different things that you can take with you into your future, middle school, high school, college, and beyond. I use these tools all the time in my profession, probably every day. So I'm going to teach you how to create a video for your book and include pictures, video, sound, different font types, how to place your text, and music. The first thing in your assignments under Ms. Pichet's class teams, open the assignment. Your PowerPoint template is in here and it gives you steps on all the requirements for this. So the very first slide, to do this, you're going to go to Google, type in the title of your book, and instead of all, you're going to switch it to images. The reason we switch it to images is because we want a picture of our book cover. Here is my book cover. It's called The Raft. I switched it to images right here. And now I need to, there's several ways that you can do this. You can right click and save the image, but for the purposes of today, we are going to use the snipping tool. So at the very bottom, you're going to click the little magnifying glass and then type in tool. And it pops up. It's the application right here. This tool is so helpful. I have even teachers all the time asking me how to use this tool. So this is something that you could use in your life. I use it in emails. I use it to put pictures into my documents, or if I want to take a picture of the screen or something that's wrong. I use this all the time. So you're going to press New, and then you are going to drag and drop around your picture. So when you're doing that on the laptop, you have to keep your pointer finger on the mouse pad, and then you have to drag the middle finger to capture the image. So you're going to drag and drop here, and then it gives us our image. When it gives us our image, you are going to save it. So you go to File, Save As. Now you can save this on your OneDrive or on your desktop. For my purposes, I am going to go to this PC, and I am going to save it on my desktop because it is easiest for me to find. I'm going to rename it The Raft, and then I'm going to click Desktop. Then I click Open and Save. Now it will save on my desktop. You may also save it in your OneDrive too, but it will be in your PowerPoint, so you really don't need to save it in your OneDrive if you insert it in your PowerPoint today. So I'm going to minimize that because I don't need it right now. Back in Teams with my directions of putting a picture in. So I go to Insert, and then I go to Pictures, and I'm going to go to this device because I saved it on my desktop. You might have to go to OneDrive if you saved it in your OneDrive. Now, it automatically opened up my PC with my desktop, so I'm going to click on the images, my image. You might have to click on this PC and desktop or the OneDrive if it's in there, but you have to be able to find where you saved it. Then I press Insert. Now, I can drag the corners of the image to make it bigger, but I am going to want to delete the directions up here because this is just directions for you. So I am going to delete this text here, and then I am going to make my picture bigger. So let me delete all of this. Okay, and then let's make this larger. Oops, it switched screens on me. So you're going to drag the corner of the image to make it larger for your project. So that's the first step.